back by the door. Another ticket, different name, not sure what I'm looking for. But the world keeps calling out to me. Every sign's pointing gold. Oh, this is the good life, wild and free. A brand new chapter just for me. Chasing horizons, follow the light. Every new day feels so bright.
May wala sa'yo? Yes, naman. Hindi ba yun? Okay, this is it. Oo, meron tong ano.
Paano yan? Pag pumunta tayo all the way, that's just walang ano ba? So, eto na. Inaantay na lang namin si Jenny mag-drive. Pupunta siya.
Si Jenny.
Akala ko ba limousine yung magsusundo sa'yo? Karo ata yan. Oh no! Okay guys, we're on our way to our hotel room. This hotel is really big, so we have to take this. Si Cheryl po yung nagdadrive. Hindi ka makita, girl. Ganun. Or we can chill here. It's the washroom. It's the light.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. This is our second day in, oh my goodness. Second day in Punta Cana. Ito yung view. Ay.
We're gonna go to the ice cream shop. Huh? Ice cream shop.
Do you have ice cream truck here?
Yes, by the beach.
Mag-room tour tayo. At dito ako natulog kagabi.
Mag-ano tayo?
That's their room. Ito yung washroom namin. Here. And K-Beauty, of course.
Ka-reserve na tayo ng taco. Ng taco. Ano oras na? 9 daw eh. 9. Ang dami naman po.
Okay, we're on our way to eat breakfast.
Breakfast at 7.
Don't disturb. Ay. The water is there, very close. So, eto na po. Kami po ay nawawala. Charat. Hola!
Ano tayo ng tao?
Coco Bongo. Oh, they have Coco Bongo here also. Look at that. Oh, look at that water. Andito yung ano, buffet. At least walang seaweed, no? Meron na. Meron? Asan? Ay, oo nga. Hindi ganun kadami sa Cancun, girl. Couch. Alright, we're eating breakfast. Brunch muna. Oh my god!
Later that same evening.
You know if someone is actually jealous and like parang off their mind na are you happy? Tatanungin mo. Mas hindi kayo. Pero malinis na siya. Sabi ka, nakaragot ako.
Got a picture of you on the dashboard, taken somewhere back in June. Wind was messing up your perfect hair underneath the afternoon. Oh, these salt-stained memories
The next day.
repeat inside my head, chasing waves and silly dreams, living every word we said. Building castles from the wet sand, knowing they would wash away. Didn't it matter, we had no plans but to squeeze the light out of the day. Oh,
We're in the water. Oh, against the light kayo. Against the light tayo. There. It's a big whale. Ano kayang anong nasa ilalim?
Okay lang naman. Pag ano, pinunata mo, maalat yung ano eh. I-dump mo lang.
Sakit sa mata nun, girl.
Oo, masakit lang.
Bonjour!
Oh my goodness. Tumanso ka?
Ça va bien, et toi, ça va bien?
A few moments later.
Waiting for teppanyaki. They're late.
Yeah.
Ilang minuto na.
13 minutes.
This is so bougie. Gracias. Ano, I'll be at Mayat na pero. Teppanyaki tayo. Okay guys, good evening. We're seated at the teppanyaki grill with Dixie and Shove. Our seatmates are here. They're not here yet. We're waiting for Chef.
Did you order piña colada?
I did waiting.
Still alcohol? With alcohol?
Ayoko na na-order.
Later that same evening.
Pero wala sa
So, kakatapos lang namin kumain ng teppanyaki. Ayun yung dalawa nag-aaway kanina, girl. Bati na sila. Ang pag-ibig ay... Totoo nga. Ay, nag-aaway ulit sila, girl. It's nighttime. We're on our way back to our hotel room. We just finished eating teppanyaki. It's okay, it's a little salty. Too salty. Oh my gosh. Girl, may pato and everything. Are they laying eggs? Where are you guys going? Mawawala to. Doon dapat eh. Ba't doon tayo pumunta?
dapat pala hindi ako nang sinupit. Kasi nag-read ito ng app.
Umikot lang tayo, you mean? Itik ang puta.
Pato naman kasi.
Alam mo kung lasing ka dito, hindi mo mahalagyan dito.
The next day.
Good morning, guys! Good afternoon na ba? Oo nga pala. It's when... We just finished our lunch. Late kami nagising. Ang sabi kanina, ay, alam mo girl, parang uulan nga. Parang tinan mo yung sky.
Ay, maganda mag-swimming na umuwi.
Maulap pa. Oh, ganun lang yung kulay niya.
Tangan naka-sunglasses ka.
Ang bobo. Sabi ko, bakit kulay gray ang sky? Tangina, naka-sunglasses pala ako. Bobo.
A few moments later.
Paano maglakad? Hola.
Backwards.
Backwards.
We walk backwards.
Atras kasi. And there you go. It's a trail. Something over there. Aray.
Oh my God.
Bakit?
Lagyan ng sun yung officials.
Nalagyan ng sun. Ha? Ay, may puno sila ng mangga dito. Ayan, oh.
Later that same evening.
Pescador. Tangina, parang yung mga kinakain nila Gavin, girl.
The next day.
Andito na naman kami sa Cancun. I mean, Punta Cana and Bávaro. Aray ko.
Siya di Bávaro.
La Bávaro. El Bávaro. Yun na po nang nilakad namin. We've been walking for 2 hours. 2 hours! Charot. Bawal nga dumaan dito eh. Masisigawan tayo na to eh. Wala. Lamig dito. Giniginawa ko. Gusto ko mag-jacket. Di ba shortcut to? Go this way?
Ito may mountain.
Is it shorter way? Hindi daw.
Nasa
May sandbarium pala.
gitna siya. Kasi ito yun, yung tumbok nito, ito yung ano.
That is the Indian restaurant that we're eating at on Saturday. No, Sunday. We're going to Santo Domingo on Saturday. Dito tayo, diba pwede? Oh, ayun, may ano na naman siya. Oh, yung peacock. Dami nila dun, girl.
Dalawa tapos na dalawa.
We also have flamingos here. Oh, hello. Huwag niyo ako atakin. Tangin na niyo. How was your food?
Good.
I like this cheese. Is that blood? Is that blood? Sangre?
Yeah, it's granadino.
Oh, okay.
It's sweet.
Yeah, it's good. Thank you so much.
I'm here.
Thank you.
Grenadilla. Grenadilla is ano, di ba? Yung
What do you call that in English? Granadilla is, what do you call that in English? Grenadines. Grenadines. What do you call that in English? Wait, pomegranate. Yeah, that's pomegranate. Pomegranate.
Later that same evening.
Woke up
Having Mexican food today. Sharap? Is it?
every taco is a perfect grind.
Supportive. Ayan. Ito na po yung pagkain namin. Ay, may foil. So, ano na yung mga kinakain ni Shirley.
The next day.
Good morning. We are on our way to Santo Domingo.
To the lobby first.
Oh, we're on our way to the lobby first. My outfit for the bus. My bus outfit.
So good. Yeah, Mexican food. So good.
Come on, vámonos. 감사합니다. Ay, wala akong shoes. Kunin mo na, dito pa tayo. Oh, wow. So, meron ng ano? Parang wala pa.
Ahí, hay máquina.
Este río tiene 80 kilómetros de las montañas hacia el mar, y en este río filmaron pedazos de las películas como Apocalipsis Now con Marlon Brando y Rambo 2, películas que jugaron en Vietnam pero filmaron acá. So on this river they once filmed the movies like
eventually.
Okay, pasok na kami. Chewin. Gusto mo chewin pala natin yan eh. Sabi mo lang ano. Ano yung tibet?
No, no sé todavía. Eso es, yo lo averiguo con un amigo y a ver si
La cadena se llama cenote, como en México, que están en cenote y Yucatán. Todo esto es natural, lo único que aquí artificial son las escaleras, después todo natural. Este parque fue construido
¿Estamos listos?
en 1900 por el doctor Joaquín Balaguer. El lugar lleva 50 años como un centro turístico. La caverna Señores, esas rocas tienen la forma de un mono. I like a monkey. You know what I mean? Honey, sugar, be high. Look at from the top. Honey, sugar, see the brown. Honey, big. See, be high. You see the brown, the rock. You like a monkey. You can come, please. Follow me. En inglés se dice follow the leader. Like a Dracula inside the cave.
Look at Dracula.
You know Dracula? Pull it flat.
Dracula.
Flash.
Flash?
Picture here, flash. Some picture. Okay, and inside I like a Dracula here. Look at the face.
Dracula.
Look.
Luisa, a Gigi.
Señor, esa roca tiene la forma como un indio. Mírenlo allá, tiene dos ojos. Mírenlo ahí. The fake. See the fake.
The fake.
Mírenlo ahí. You come down, please. Coche de water, no swimming.
Luisa.
Y manéjate. De Toray, this is the lady swimming pool. Only the women, not for my friend. 1970, you have to swim it. The water here 8 feet, 2 meters and a half. And inside the water like a little fish and guppy. 1970, you have to swim it from Dominican Republic. The water here, the sweet water, sweet, no salty. If you want it, you come down, take a picture, no more than 1,000 pictures inside the cave. 199. Señores, este es el lago más pequeño, se llama el lago de las camas. ¿Ustedes saben por qué? Porque en los años 70 venían las mujeres a bañarse con los niños. Ese lago mide 8 pies, 1,5 metros. Es caliente,
no se hace.
¿Ustedes casados? Yo tengo 10. El hijo mío se llama
Independence Park, a la izquierda el Parque de Independencia, a donde está el panteón del padre de la patria, Juan Pablo Duarte. Él era tan importante que junto con sus amigos Mella y Sánchez están en ese Parque de Independencia. Es el kilómetro 0 behind the palace. There is some rain in the air. So this is only the working space of the president. Es solamente el despacho del presidente. Él no vive aquí. Entonces, si los guardias, no, yo veo todo muy tranquilo. Pero si los guardias dicen que no podemos parar, yo no voy a buscar problemas con ellos, porque ellos son la ley y yo no. Y usted no vuelve, pero yo vuelvo mucho y no quiero ponerme en problemitas con estos señores. Pero se ve todo muy tranquilo. Ustedes pueden bajar y llegar aquí hasta la entrada, pero no forzan adentro, porque me van a poner en problema a mí. Guys, you can get off the bus, you can go.
Guys. Okay, hurry up. Ito yung magandang picture dito.
I-video muna yung sarili natin.
Oo nga pala. No? Okay, guys. Bonjour.
May mataihan tayo. Ready na kayo mataihan.
Salamat. Okay, we're only allowed to take pictures here, no photos, but I'm taking a video now. Because we're rebels. This is the cathedral. Andito na po tayo sa simbahan ng San Agustin sa loob ng Intramuros. Meron silang bonggabihan dito. Reina Isabel. Is that what Reina Isabel?
Era regalito de Franco de España. Entonces, este joven que está sentado, él es uno de los guardias que normalmente aquí paraba. Y antes de la pandemia, esa alfombra estaba ahí a la entrada. Entonces, en la mañana, el sol en la casa. No fácil.
Estoy muy segura que es.
We're on our way to the house of Colon. Si Miss Minchin, andito siya. Si Miss Minchin yan siya. Natawa naman ako kay Miss Minchin.
Pati na naman si Miss Minchin sa ginagawa. Para bajar la comida.
Tangina, pupunta pa rito. Wala naman. Ingat.
Later that same evening.
Buenas noches, chicas. my God. Tangina na na ba ito ah? Tangina to. Didaradyahin niya daw ang ikot. Tangina. Hindi ko na naalala ganyan. Mali nga tayo ng ano. Sinabi ko na nga. Kaya nga susundan natin si Cheryl. Ikot tayo dito. Wala na po. Hindi na dumayon. Tayo na. Ayop ka. Ang layo na ng na mismong turn eh. Ano ba? Nakikot tayo ganito. Hindi ko na itong ayop na ito. Yung 10 minutes ko magiging 20 minutes. Times 2. Pagod siya. Tangin na nag-imikot ang chagrin. Sige na, nauna na kaya ako na lang.
The next day.
Okay guys, we're on our way to the coffee shop. Sana pwede tayong pumunta doon, no? I mean, we can walk this way actually. Wala.
Alam mo, nalilito si
This is our building. Oh, building. Binili mo yung girl. Alright, I wanna see the peacock. Hindi mainit masyado. Ganda. Sana lahat may video.
may prank.
Eventually.
Hola. Ikaw na.
Yes. And one donut. Thank you. Sloth. So, makakita ng sloth.
Ayan no, sa katabi mo.
Girl,
That is a huge bird. Ano kayang ginagawa nila? Ba't nila kina-clear? Ayan girl. Ganda yan. Pag may ganyan ka, alam mo talagang mayaman ka.
sa harapan ng asyenda.
Sa harapan ng asyenda.
Tapos yung bahay doon. Tapos
yung bahay mong may multo. So, ito yung mandun.
Oh, here? Do you have to go here? Eh, papalik na tayo dun. Diba?
Or gusto mo dito?
This is short. This is a shorter way?
Hindi naman. Ito yung inside.
Honey, on your left. Here, here, here. Okay, yes, yes. Strut that. Yes, like that. Yan. Ganda, oh. Isa pa dito. Hey, hey. Here, here, here.
On your right, on your
Supla.
right. On your right. Turn around.
Ay, wow.
Oh no! Kasi merong darating na babae.
Momsh, come here. Momshi, come here.
Ayan, tatlo-tatlo pala kasi sila eh. Sabi
Ayan. Isa pa. Oh, dito. Ganda, oh. Nagpe-perform siya for the beautiful ladies over here. Jenny, Cheryl.
on your left now.
Bakla, i-open mo din yung ano mo. Psst. Box. Go! Doon ako. Mare, kumusta? Taray, oh. Ganda. That's where we're going for dinner later. Hindi ako dito, ha? Okay, honey.
Wow, watermelon and pineapple, huh? And mango. Yeah, they have mango. He's sleeping. Oh, ganyan siya matulog.
Asan? Ayaw nga, ano. Ay.
Ganyan matulog sila.
Pupo muna tayo kasi ang inat. Turtle! Where?
Takot ko.
Hi, turtle!
Nalabasa sila. Tumatawid sila.
Oh, girl.
Natatakot siya. Huwag mo siyang takutin dyan.
Mas nakakatakot dito sa
Cross lang.
Later.
Good evening, you guys. We're on our way to Samsara. Il Tartufo. Kaya nga. Sinakyan ng puto.
Pwede naman tayo kumakas.
Nilabasan natin doon.
Ha?
Anong sinakyan? Hati may sinakyan natin. Okay, let's check in. Okay, kayo mag-check in. Dali. Cheryl, nag-video ako. Check in na kayo.
Hello?
Check in. Ah, oh, I think it's there. This is Samsara. I think so. Such a beautiful. Where are we going? Here. Oh, it's beautiful. Hola. Sure. Ang ganda. I like it. So pretty. This is so good. So delicious. You got the fish, no?
Puro seafood ako dito. Puro fish. Love.
Vegetarian.
Outside looking in.
The next day.
Is this good? Thank you so much, Grand Bottle Princess. I don't know.
Where?
Somewhere here. Sabi ka sa niya, wala. Meron siyang card girl. Ito ko? Ito ko, girl. Si. PNR?
Yeah.
Oh.
Guwapo siya, girl. Sabi niya, ay, ang daming nakalagay.
Ay, girl! Ito yung mga malulunod ka dito. Oh my God! Ayan yung sa dulo. Ayoko maano yung mata ko kasi baka ma-irritate. Huwag ka na dito. Baka na. Asan yung phone? Masyado nag-aantay talaga yung alam. Where's alam? Over.
One eternity later.
Bye. So next time we'll stay here.
Thank you.